Good day. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good day, ma'am. My name is Roslyn Emelda. I am 32 years old. I'm single with live-in partner. I have 2 kids. Their ages are 14 years old and 2 years old. I am vocational graduate and I live in Kiyut Pardo, Cebu City. I have 1 brother and 1 sister. I am the second in the family. Thank you.
How would you describe yourself?
I am cheerful, trustworthy, and hardworking person. I can work under pressure with less supervision.
Why did you choose to apply abroad?
I want to apply abroad to support my family, and I want also to support my parents with their medication.
Do you have any work experience overseas?
Yes, ma'am, I have. I have 1 year and 8 months working experience in Hong Kong as a housemaid. I serve 1 couple and 1 newborn baby. I'm taking care of baby like feeding, bathing, changing diaper, and attending the baby when crying. I also do cleaning around the house, washing the clothes, ironing the clothes, and car washing.
Do you have any work experience here in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am. I have 3 years working experience in the Philippines. I serve 1 couple and 2 children. Their ages are 6 years old and 2 years old. I'm taking care of the kids, and I also clean the house, washing, cooking, and marketing.
Are you willing to take care of small kids, newborn babies, or elderly persons abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing.
How would you take care of naughty kids and kids with temper tantrums?
If the kids are naughty or have a tantrums, I encourage them by playing, singing, coloring, or drawing. Then I will read books and stories to distract their attention.
How about if the newborn baby is crying at night?
If the baby is crying at night, I will check the baby. If she is hungry, then I will feed the milk. And I check the diaper. If full or dirty, then I change it with new diaper. And if the baby is sick, I will inform the employer immediately.
Do you know how to prepare a formula milk for the baby?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you know how to give bath to the newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to wake up very early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing.
How about if you become homesick? What will you do?
If I become homesick, I will make myself busy at work, and then I will focus on my chores and my employer's needed. And I will remind myself that I'm working for my future of my family.
How long do you want to work with your employer this time?
As long as my employers needs me, ma'am.
So, you promise to finish the 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am, I promise.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
How do you describe your cooking skills?
I know how to cook Filipino food like chicken adobo, apritada, and spaghetti. Then I also want to learn how to cook my employer's dishes as well.
Do you have any food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Do you eat everything?
Yes, ma'am, I eat everything.
Are you a fast learner?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing for me a nursery song for the kids?
There was a farmer had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh.
Do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am, I promise.
Do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, I don't.
How about smoking?
No, I don't.
Any body tattoo?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Where?
In my left arm. Here, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with the kids or with elderly persons?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work during your day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Yes, ma'am, I'm willing.
What is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Hi, ma'am, sir. Good day. My name is Roslyn Emelda, and I am 32 years old. I'm single with live-in partner. I have 2 kids. I want to work abroad to support my family and their needs. I promise I finish my 2 years contract, and I promise I learn how to cook your native food, and I'm willing also to learn your native speak language. I hope you choose me as your housemate. Thank you.